Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is absolutely creative, unique and beautiful in itself because in this video I am sharing a very beautiful and creative design ideas of hand embroidery. All of these design ideas are absolutely inspired by imported garment style heavy embroidery patterns, and all of these are shaded embroidery patterns. From the front foot they look very complex and complicated, but believe me guys, these are very easy and simple and easy to make hand embroidery patterns. Yes friends, you have heard me right. These are very creative patterns. You can design your gowns, your maxi, your frocks, your long shirt, your short, your medium length shirt. Even you can also design the patterns on your sweaters, cardigans, ponchos and any type of hand knitted crochet made stuff. And not only this friends, the design of these ideas is scope. Its scope is very wide and global. That is, you can use these flowers to make on face mask, onto your bags, handbags, onto your jeans, denim based fabric, denim based jackets and many more other creative stuffs. Firstly, I have shown you the design idea that are absolutely made on some gowns, shirts, t-shirts and sweater stuff, and now I am showing you some sort of design of different type of flowers, shaded flower patterns, which you can use them by joining into sequence or by making a very beautiful neckline, or you can also use these as an all over spray for creating a very beautiful and wide pattern as well. So if you like my today's ideas, then don't forget to like my video, and if you want to share some ideas or want to give some views about my today's video, then don't forget to comment below my video, and hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves, and on my channel you can get a wide variety of design ideas related to women fashion, like women dress designing ideas, handwork, hand art, fabric painting, crochet design ideas, hand embroidery, silk ribbon embroidery, and not only this, face mask, handbags, ladies girls dresses, baby girl dresses and many more other creative stuffs as well. So if you want to remain updated in the fashion world, then don't skip even a single video or don't miss our any latest update. And if you are new, then please it's some humble request, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon. So stay tuned and stay blessed. We'll be right back with some new content. Up till then, take care of yourselves.